Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about Gucci shoulder bag, like Gucci Marmont Gigi. Okay, so before we start, I will show you the accessories before we analyze the bag. Okay, so now you check. This is the box. This is how the box is, and you will realize that here the box is creamy white, not really white, it's creamy white. You see the difference between the box and the table, like the desk is white whereas the box is creamy white. And if you touch this box, you will realize that there are some vertical lines there. Okay, and here the Gucci is really rough. It's not like smooth. It's rough. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, now talking about the closure, you see that it's magnet. It's not really easy to open it. It's magnet closure of the box is magnet close. You can see that there 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's how it goes, and when you open it, it goes like this. Okay, so now let's open the box. This is the receipt. You see Gucci is on the envelope, and on this receipt you see the name and the address of the customer here. Here you will see the style number. We are going to check it on the bag. You see the style number is on the receipt. Description of the bag is here. Okay, and the price. Okay, I think that's all about the receipt, the total price and everything. Yeah, that's the Gucci receipt. So if you are purchasing this bag, this is how you receive the receipt. Your name and your address will be here. The description of the bag will be here, and the price, the style number also will be here. Okay, so now let's talk about other accessories of the bag. Okay, here we have 4 booklets written in English, French, like so many languages. I think all the languages. No, like so many languages. Yeah, because I don't want to go here. I don't want to waste your time with all these details. Okay, that's it. We have these 4 things. Okay, we also have this little thing here. Okay, and now talking about the ribbon. This is the ribbon, and you see that on the, like, for me I call it ribbon and other people call it gift lace. Okay, so you see Gucci is on this gift lace. You see that there, and the gift lace is not smooth, it's rough, like it has vertical lines too, and the Gucci is printed on the gift lace. Okay, that's all about the gift lace. Now let's talk about the dust bag. This is the dust bag, and you will see that on this dust bag, the Gucci tag here is having the vertical line same as on the box, and is creamy white. Gucci is well printed here. You can see that there. Okay, and the material of this box, of this dust bag, is silk, and you see that the stitches are well done.